Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive into how to get the Google Call Screen feature on any rooted Android phone. This feature is a lifesaver, allowing you to screen calls without having to answer them directly. What is call screening on Pixel devices? If you're familiar with Pixel devices, you've probably heard of call screening. It's a nifty feature that lets you have Google Assistant answer your calls for you. When someone calls, Google Assistant will engage in a brief conversation with the caller, asking them who they are and why they're calling. If the call seems suspicious or unwanted, you can decline it without ever having to pick up. In a previous video, I showed you how to get call screening using the Pixelify Magisk module. While this method works, it's not ideal. Pixelify essentially spoofs your entire ROM to make it look like a Pixel 5. This can lead to compatibility issues and potentially break some features on your device. So, in this video, we're going to use a much simpler and more flexible method, the GMS Flags app. This app allows you to enable hidden features within GMS, which includes call screening. The download link for GMS Flags will be available in the video description. Once you've downloaded the app, install it on your rooted Android device. Launch GMS Flags and grant it the necessary permissions. Use the search bar in GMS Flags to find the call screening flag. That's it. By using GMS Flags, you've successfully enabled call screening on your rooted Android phone. This method is much more convenient and less likely to cause compatibility issues compared to using Pixelify. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.